is I'd like to start a startup. How can I make $1 billion, right? So here it is, free advice, 5 steps to actually become a unicorn, and this is guaranteed. So the first one is you have to be born in Dariba, Rajasthan, so make sure that happens. If some of you can't manage that now, well, you're out of contention, okay? The second one is you start off with a website called Kijiji, okay? That's very important. What it means, we'll just find out. The third, be very sure that you're really up steely in your heart, because every single person you'll go to early will call your plan bullshit beep, okay? And the last one is keep at it, and you will absolutely make it, because that's really the story of the next unicorn that is being honored out here. May I please have Pranay Chule from Quikr. Give him a big hand, please. Pranay. So the first part, the stage is absolutely all yours. We'd like to hear a story we've never heard before from Quikr. And then right after that, I'll tell everybody a story that I've just come to know from your wife that you've never heard before. Okay? So all yours.
Well, maybe I could just talk about how Quikr came about. Life has a funny way of putting things together. So my background is I grew up in Rajasthan. I thought I would never live in a big city, and the first thing I did after getting education was to go to New York City to work. So, I was working there for a number of years, but I had this interest in films, and we have the great Mr. Bachchan, my biggest idol globally, not just in India, and so many other great artists here. So I decided to make a film. I left everything. For 6 months in New York, I was struggling to make an indie film. And I had no background in the film industry. I had learned how to make filmmaking in New York, but I had no idea how to go about making a film. I used this website called Craigslist in the US, and I was a first-time writer. I had written this extremely ambitious script, outdoor locations, cast of 50 actors. Those who know films know what I'm talking of. And of course, it did not have exactly the budget of a Titanic. So I went about recruiting all these 50 actors from this website called Craigslist, which showed me the power of platforms like Quikr. And then I had some sequences in India. Of course, it was an ambitious script. I was shooting right here in Old Delhi, and I had no platform here to recruit actors from. That's when I thought something like Craigslist could work in India, and in 2008, I came back to India to build the company.
Wow, so all of you know now, the part that I missed out in the 5 is make sure you make a movie that completely flops, it never gets made. So that's part of what you need to do, right? Okay. So now we do have your wife out here. I'm going to ask her to join us on stage. Tina, could we have you on stage, please? I did threaten you with this one, right? So would you want to do it right from there, or would you join us here? Okay, all right, okay. So we're going to do it right from there. So Tina, just before we had Pranay here, I did speak with you, and you did tell me that we'll do 2 things. One, he's about to make another movie now. He has some more money than before, a little bit more, right? So he can make a movie. You've got to cast that movie now. One rule, no cheating. Ranveer cannot be part of that. No, listen. Brand ambassadors are not allowed, yeah? Not allowed, no. So Okay. So Ranveer is part of the multi-starrer, not the only male lead. Okay, now all yours. So we need to know 1 more male lead, 1 more female lead, and anybody else. And present company included. You've got the ultimate star cast here.
Can you hear me? Yes. Okay. So I think today might be a dream for Pranay, because besides Ranveer, who of course is close to our heart as the Quikr ambassador, but the man that he has idolized for his entire life, and for which Pranay's own mom is quite disappointed she couldn't make it here, Amitabh, I think hands down will have to win and be casted in one of Pranay's movies.
Well, Deepika said yes, Mr. Bachchan. Can we have a yes right now? The contract and money we can talk about later.
I'm not even cast in this movie.
Yeah. If she says yes, I'll agree.
In that case, hands down, Deepika, you will be the female lead in this movie.
So buy 1, get 1 free.
And another thing for everybody from Mumbai, Bollywood, come to NDTV, Indian of the Year Awards, get 2 movies. I mean, you've got 2 already and you're on a roll. Thank you, Pranay. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Come.